Okie dokie, so this is how you can nominate your foal into the Ruby Buckle. So this is the rubybuckle.com, and this is the main page. So from here, you're gonna go to nominations. You can either, if you have an account, you can log in and it makes it super simple, or you can create an account and it just keeps everything in one place online, so you don't have as much paper. But if you don't, and you don't wanna make an account, you can just come to here to the 2024 nomination form, and you can download the form by clicking there. You can just fill it out, either put your credit card information or mail a check, and you can send it on in. So pretty straightforward, super simple. It's $200 if you do it before August 1st, and it's $300 if you do it before December 1st. If your horse isn't registered yet, for the horse's registered name, you can just put in like an identification for your horse, so like trumped you / the name of your dam, and then when you have the paperwork, you can just send that into them and they can always update it. So pretty straightforward from there.